But I want to begin with a very easy yes or no question, Mr. Vogt. Do you agree that the federal government has a fiduciary responsibility to be good stewards of the American taxpayer's dollar?
Yes.
Okay, and you and I agree with that. And so I want to, given that it's tax day, I want to focus a little bit on the IRS. And the Budget Lab has a great report that I'd like to unanimous consent to enter into the record. Thank you, Chairman. And it's entitled, "A Weakened IRS Has Substantial Consequences." So spending on the IRS has decreased, obviously, in this administration. And what perplexes me is that the IRS actually has a return on investment. When we invest in the IRS, we're able to invest in fighting tax fraud, and we're able to bring in revenue. The IRS reductions from funding and layoffs have resulted in, that are a result of Project 2025 and the so-called One Big Beautiful Bill, have resulted in about $861 billion in decreased revenue. The layoffs from DOGE have likely resulted in almost $600 billion reductions in revenue. And if DHS gets access to IRS data, that will cost an additional $300 billion in revenue. And we know that the programs that hardworking Americans depend on need revenue.